Chapter 3 test. Number 1. What are the unknown numbers in the equations? 8 times 7 equals blank. 8 times 70 equals blank. 8 times 700 equals blank. And 8 times 7,000 equals blank. You're filling in those numbers. Number 2. The model shows how to find 4 times 173. Which equations show the partial products represented by the model? Select all the correct answers. You have to figure out what you would do in each one of those boxes and select all the correct answers. Number 3. Place an X in the table to show if each equation is true or false. 8 times 50 or 18 times 50 equals 900. Is that true or false? And you've got room right here to work those out. 4 times 938 equals 3,652. True or false? 6 times 723 equals 4,228. True or false? And then 2 times 43 times 10 equals 860. I'll give you a hint on that one. Do 2 times 10 first, then multiply by 43. True or false? Number 4. What comparison sentence describes the model? So look how number 4 does. It shows you the sentence over here, and then here's the rest of number 4 beside it. It says, write the numbers from the list to correctly complete the sentence. Blank times as many as blank is blank. Number 5. What expression shows how to multiply 9 times 354 using place value and expanded form? So again, on that problem number 5, you're filling in what would go in those boxes, like your trick-or-treat method. Number 6. Chris and Julio played a card game. Together, they scored 36 points in one game. Chris scored 2 times as many points as Julio. How many points did Chris and Julio each score? So you're figuring out how much they each scored. Write the number from the list to correctly complete the sentence. Chris scored blank points and Julio scored blank points. And you've got room on your paper to work those out. Number 7. It costs 835 points to build each school in the computer game Town Planning. How much does it cost to build 6 schools? So figure that out and write your points there. Number 8. Marco has 300 beads. He makes 13 bracelets using 8 beads each and 9 necklaces using 11 beads each. How many beads does Marco have left after making the bracelets and necklaces? So that's a 3-step problem there. Number 9. Carrie manages a catering company. She rented 325 chairs each week for the first 2 weeks of May. Carrie rented 750 chairs each week for the first 2 weeks of April. The chair rental company forgot to send 23 chairs. So which equations show the steps to find the number of chairs Carrie received in those 4 weeks? Select all the answers. So there's more than one answer there for all your steps that you're going to do to figure that out. Number 10. Kathy volunteered to collect cans for a school project. Kathy collected 125 cans. There were 6 volunteers, including Kathy, who each collected the same number of cans. So about how many cans did they collect? And number 11, Jill has 2,796 pennies. Tim has twice as many pennies. If they put all their pennies together, how many do they have in all? Again, multi-step problems, and you've got lots of room on that page and on the other pages to work those out. Do your best, check your work, and have a good day.